When I work in Excel, I like to have a ribbon tab with some of my favorite macros on it so it's easy to use no matter what workbook I have open. If you'd like to do something similar, I've got a workbook you can download and customize it with your favorite macros. There are 10 buttons. You can change how they look and what they say and the macros they run. And then there are 2 lists with drop downs that show macro names, and you can run those. In the workbook, I have some sample macros, and those are set up in these lists. So if I choose to toggle the grid lines, right now they're on. If I select that, they go off. And I could toggle them back on. So anything that's in a list, you can select and it runs the macro. You can add more macro names to these lists, as many as you need. You can change any of these buttons as well by changing the information in these blue cells. For example, in this workbook, I changed button number 6 to color list. So it's got a nice color block image here. It runs a macro called color list, and the label says color list. So I just had to type here, and then I close and reopen this file, and it shows up on the ribbon. So if you'd like to get your own custom tab on the ribbon, then download this file. I've got a longer video that shows everything step by step, so you can get your custom ribbon tab set up.